Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. As you know, Blox Fruit has been updated and there has come an update event which is called egg. So in this video, I will be telling you guys how to get the eggs. So there will be eggs laying on the ground. So let's find the egg. Oh, I found the egg. Treasure egg. You will find the egg like this in the laying ground. Another egg, falling sky egg. Like this you can find egg on the floor in the whole seed mat. I also don't know how to collect these eggs because the last video which I made, from then I am offline, and now when the update come I am online now. So let's find the egg in whole first seed mat because I also don't know the spawn location or where it does spawn. I just know that it spawned randomly on the ground. So let's see from the upside. There is an egg. I can't see any egg here. So let's move toward the next island. So now we are at the middle town. Let's find egg here. Here the egg is. Shockwave egg. This another person is also finding the egg. So we have to do quick before he take all the eggs. Now I can't see any egg here in the ground. Let's see near the buildings. What is this? Admire lip in the chair. Let's see. Who said you could compliment me like that? Let's do again. You so annoying, leave me alone, try again in 9 minutes 50 seconds. Okay guys, he will be here after 9 minutes 50 seconds again. And let's see what will happen here. Let's find egg up here. If there is any egg on the building. I can't see any egg on the building also. Let's do the Buddha glitch very fast so we can reach another island also. Let's head toward the jungle first because it is the nearest. Now let's see for the egg here. Before that, we should have confirmed. There is no egg here also. Oh, I found an egg. No, it's an berry. Let's look around here for the egg. I notice now the little egg here also. Find the NPC at Fountain City. I can't see any egg in the floating jungle too. Let's do a gacha. I see a egg in the first. Is there a gacha egg also? Let's store our blade fruit. Now we check this island also. There is also no egg. Oh, there is egg. Egg sighted egg. They are giving us candy egg also. We found another aura. Let's check how many eggs there does we collect. Where does egg come? Let's check. I can't find the egg. Where does it is going? These are candy egg. Where are my eggs which I am finding? I can't find my eggs. Where are my eggs? Guys, I can't see my egg. Where are these? I am collecting egg. Where are they going? There are no eggs here. Then where are they going? Oh, here. That's a small button right here. We have collect one egg. How many eggs are there? 24 total. And when we will collect egg, we will get reward also. Nice. How many egg? 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to collect. Which is one rare, I think so, and uncommon common egg. Let's kill this Gorilla King. Now let's head toward the next island. Now we will see Marine Starter and Pirate Village. Because we have seen Pirate Starter, Middle Town and Jungle. So the left one is Marine Starter, then Pirate Village. And another person is also finding egg here. So we have to be quick. Oh, there the egg is. Before he take, I will take. Yes. Now let's find more egg. I already have the shockwave egg. I can't see any another egg here. Before going, let's go upward. If there is any other egg that we can find from here. No, there is no egg left. Let's go toward Pirate Village. Now we are at Pirate Village. Let's see for egg here also. Oh, there is an egg. What it is saying, I want you to bring me to Freezeburg Quest Giver. It will be there at, I think so, at Frozen Village. So let's go Frozen Village. Oh, there is a person. Let's try to kill him. Let's just spam. How his health is not going. My game is lagging so much. Now he has died. Let's let's go to Frozen Village. And firstly, we off our Alive VFX because it is doing so much lag, and on fast mode. Let's see at the desert also first, because this person is collecting every egg from the island. Now there is no egg. Let's go to Frozen Village. Where is Frozen Village? At there. No egg here too. Oh, I see a egg here. White color, candy egg. Oh, I already have this egg. Is this the Freezeburg quest giver? No. Oh, I see another egg here. Here it is. Where does it go? There. This egg is running. I already have this egg also. Let's look for another egg. These are so much difficult to find. Now let's head towards the Freezeburg quest giver. Now I am at Freezeburg quest giver. Let's give him this egg. Now I got friendly neighborhood egg. That's nice. Let's look for another egg here. Oh, I found here a rocket egg. Wow, that's nice. Another egg here. I already have this egg. Let's look for more egg. Shockwave egg. Now let's see more here if there is any egg left, because that another person is also looking for egg here. No, there is no egg left. Let's see from the upside. I think that this person is going to kill me. Where is he? He is killing Cyber boss. Let's look at it. There is also no egg. The next location are prison. So let's check the prison also. There is prison. Now I am here at the prison, so let's look for egg here. Oh, I see a egg here. I don't know that there's egg spawn on the building also. Yes, 2 eggs. Let's roam around here first. No egg here also. No egg here also. Here also. And last one here also. Let's check the boundaries of the prison for the egg. No egg. Let's go from upward because it is spawned on the floor of these boundaries also. Till now I haven't seen any egg here. No, I have checked all the area. Now let's head at the Magma Village. And lastly, Marine Fortress. These two islands are left. Then we will head toward the second sea for the eggs. I have listened that I have here to know that there are the eggs there that we can only get from the quest. We have to do quest, then we will get that eggs. Before heading toward the Magma Village, we should check the island coming in our way. So let's check. No egg here. Let's kill this mob leader boss. And check for the egg here. No egg here. I come Marine Fortress and there I see a egg. Chocolate egg. Now let's look for more egg here. Another chocolate egg spawn. We need another egg which I don't have collect. They are not spawning. Please spawn. Now no egg left here. Let's head toward the Magma Village. I just come here and kill boss and I find another egg. Now I have seen the whole map of First Sea. No, I am remaining the Skyland Island. Another egg is found. Let's take it. I found an egg here, rocket egg. Now let's find another egg also. Another egg here. Now we are done with the First Sea map. In another video, I will be showing you that we are collecting egg in the second sea and more features about the update. So that's it for the today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And you also tell me about the update. How to collect more eggs fast. Leave a comment below. Allah Hafiz.